Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make tasty drinks easy method. Start by choosing a base like tea, coffee, or sparkling water and measuring 1 cup per serving. Use fresh citrus and sweetener to taste, and add ice if desired. Muddle herbs gently, then shake or stir with ice and strain into a chilled glass for best balance. Garnish simply and taste as you go to refine flavors. Warm simple syrup dissolves sweetener evenly and keeps drinks smooth, so prepare a 1 syrup by heating equal parts sugar and water until clear. For richer character, swap in honey or maple syrup at a reduced ratio, since these are sweeter by flavor. Cool syrups before adding to cold drinks and store in the fridge for convenience. Start small, taste, and add more syrup until the sweetness feels balanced and natural. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support more content, and hit the bell if you want updates. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort with a lifetime warranty that actually matches hard work and long shifts. I use them when testing recipes, and they keep my feet happy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create exciting variations by infusing syrups with mint, ginger, or cinnamon for aromatic depth, or muddle fresh berries and citrus for immediate brightness. Blend fruit purees for smooth texture, and choose dairy or plant milks to add creaminess and body. Play with contrasts like tart citrus versus sweet berry, or herbal notes against creamy coconut milk. Keep proportions simple and taste frequently to find the balance that delights your palate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.